Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's almost 5 right now. I'm gonna start getting ready to go to the gym. Before I go, though, I just want to quickly pinpoint the fact that you'll only see me do like upper body exercises because I recently got like a knee injury, and so I'm not allowed to do any like lower body exercises. I should be fine in like a month or so, but yeah, I'm just glad that it's nothing major. So yeah, I'll just take you guys along with me through like my evening, my night, and like just the whole routine. Because it's new year, I've really gotten myself into like a good nice routine and a couple of habits that I'm trying to sort of stick to. So yeah. Okay, I'm ready and I'm having a quick pre gym kind of a snack. It's literally just rice cake with peanut butter. Lately, I've been obsessed. Actually, I've been totally and fully obsessed with peanut butter, and I used to not have it like like a year or two ago, and now I'm like having it with anything and everything. Yum. I'm back from my workout. It was fine. It was easy, not that hard, but just like my knee hurts a little because any sort of pressure just like yeah, it just hurts. I have my first physio session tomorrow, so I'll ask her more, my physiotherapist, that what I should avoid because right now I'm just doing upper body workout, which my ortho said is good to go. But anyways, I think I'm like a bit sweaty and I don't even know why I sat on my couch. I need to really get rid of this habit of like, sitting with sweaty clothes on my bed or on my couch. But, anyways, I'm gonna literally take a quick shower, like a 5 minute one. Nice and fresh. I feel so nice. I actually came out of the shower a while ago and then I posted my reel. Now I'm gonna start picking my dinner. Basically, today I'm planning to have carrot fries. Those are my recent obsession. And then something with sweet potato. I saw this recipe that I really want to try. I've been in my cooking era. I've really committed to it. And then something with tofu cause protein. So let's make everything. I'm excited. I just get excited when it comes to cooking. I don't know why. It's just been my recent thing and I'm not complaining. I hate blue lights. It's so weird. Like, look at that side. It's so cozy and nice. And this is just weird. I don't like the fact that I don't have like warm lights in my kitchen. But, anyways, I actually went to shop for some groceries and I got a couple of things. Wait, let me show you all. Like, nothing major. Some bread for my breakfast tomorrow. I got these American pecan nuts. Just the lady made me try and I liked it and I was like, sure, give it. And then these are lavash, but they are millets. I think, yeah, millet lavash. I don't want to have the normal ones with the hummus that I make because those are like maida. I don't want to have that. I'm trying. It's not like I'm against it or something. I'm just trying, y'all. I'm trying. Everything and anything seasoning, sure. No brainer, I guess. I got some salt in this kind of a grinder because sometimes when now that I'm cooking and all, I want to use it to sprinkle on either some chocolate I'm making or some snack I'm making, literally anything. And it adds like that little flavor. This is almond flour. I want to make almond flour pancakes because Ruhani was telling me they are like yum. Then some rolled oats. Lastly, some almond butter, because why not? My peanut butter is almost over and I want to try almond butter now. So we'll see how that tastes. I don't think I've ever tried almond butter. But, anyways, quick haul is done and now I'm gonna start making my dinner. I'm so hungry. Taste test. Really good, yeah. Dinner is done. I also had a little bit of sweet treat, and now, so I got this Sudoku book from Amazon. It came yesterday, and I did the first puzzle. Very easy. I'm literally on the easy level. It has like 200 puzzles, but I used to do Sudoku like a lot when I was in school. Not a lot, but like I just had this like weird fascination with Sudoku, and I was like, yeah, let me pick it up again. So I'm gonna try to do one puzzle every day. I'm gonna do the second one right now. It's this one, and then I'm gonna journal, and then we're probably gonna sleep. But yeah, let me start with this though. Before I sleep, there are two tabs that I open. First is this one, where I've literally started this daily login where I'll just post one picture with like one comment about that picture to sort of sum up the day, or just like share a cute memory, or like how the day was, something. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's just like one picture, one line. So that's one thing that I'm going to do right now. And the next thing would be, of course, I'm gonna open my habit tracker. Today is 6th, so I'm gonna add that. And I think I have done my meditation, I've done my journaling, I'm yet to do my daily photo. I've not walked today, but yeah, skincare is done. It's not done. I mean, I'm gonna do like literally after this, the next thing we are gonna do is skincare, so technically done. And daily photo, I will mark once I've uploaded. But yeah, this is such a cool way to sort of track things and just sort of play around as the new year sort of starts. It's 10:30 right now, and I am done with my night care routine. Like, I've done my skincare, I've done all the other things that I usually do, and now I'm just gonna sleep. I am so tired because, like, I went to the gym, then I was cooking my dinner and all of that. So I feel like this is like my time to just doze off and relax and sleep. Also, I'm trying to be consistent with my sleep timing because I feel like it impacts your overall readiness like the next day. That's what my aura ring says. So I'm just like, okay, fine, let me try it. 10:30 is like good enough, and I'm any which ways like a early sleeper. I don't like waking up too late. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, you guys. Good night, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.